Hey guys, how y'all doing? Thank you so much for tuning in to the channel, and thanks everyone for who's subscribing to the channel. Today is a really windy day. It's about between 16 and 18 miles an hour wind with 24 mile an hour gusts. The last few days here, it's just been rainy and nasty. We have some sun today, so I want to fly just a little bit. Hopefully I don't wreck the Avata. I know in the past I've done a lot of like different, you can do this with your drone, this with your drone. And lately I've just been showing different flights with the Avata 2, which is a great drone. It's a totally different type of flying, but it is a ton of fun. So I guess with the rain and wind and all that, I'm at this location here. I'll turn it around. You can see a lot of trees, which I like. We'll see how the wind goes. And one thing about the wind is I've been out here before to pick the branches up. Looks like there's a few more on the ground. So you're actually going to go with me. I'm just going to put them behind. I like scooting them behind the tree, so when I'm zooming through there, I don't hit any. I think there's only like 2 I need to worry about really. So let's go ahead and get out there and we'll get that done. It's cold out here, man. It's cold out here. 47 degrees, but it feels like I don't know. It's like 31 it says because of the wind. And you won't think it's windy, but it is. It really is. You can see trees blowing and stuff, and I got the mic, but hopefully the mic's kind of little wind guards helping it so you can hear me. Good grief. My hood's not staying on. And this is what I'm talking about right here. Luckily this is behind my tree a little bit. I'm gonna move this one. Just put it right here so it's out of the way. And I'm gonna step on it to break it down a little bit so it's not, I'm wearing shorts as you can see, but I don't care. I always wear shorts. I always wear them. Here's another one over here. Just want to get some of these out of the way. I like flying here a lot, and these things right here come up on me pretty quick. Look at that one. That one's a good one. Just really take you out right there. As long as they're behind the tree, I'm good. Because if I hit the tree, the limb's the last thing I have to worry about, right? Oh God, it's cold out here. Let me step on that one a little bit more. That one's all right. A little close on the view. Hold on. There you go, guys. Sorry, I was kind of zoomed in a little bit. Too much from the truck. There's one right here too. You guys are going to be like, really? This is what your video's about? Going to get branches? You think I'm crazy? I'm serious. It's like I'm behind the tree. That one's new. That one's fine. I think all the rest are good. All right, let's go ahead and get back to the truck. All right, guys. We're back in the truck. That sun is deceiving. My hands are freezing. But hopefully those limbs are good. And we'll go ahead and get her, get Bolt up in the air. See how she goes today. With the wind today, I'm not going to do any flips or anything. Really, it's just flying around. I usually like to do this stuff off camera, so you're not sitting here the whole time, and I probably will shorten this a little bit or fast forward it. All right, here we go. On the ground. 94%. I'll make sure that I'm locked up. And I'm recording. Yes, I am. All right, guys. Let's see what happens here. Motors are up. Woo! You think I'm playing about the wind? I'm not. Ooh. I'm gonna engrave my truck. Face the wind. A lot more stable. When I turn. Oh, let me adjust my goggles 1 second. Hold on. All right. Adjust my goggles and let's get up a little bit. And put it in manual mode. $27 is fine. Yeah, we'll need some speed to help with this wind. Wow, it's blowing me. Don't know if I ever flew with this much wind before. Like I said, this will probably be a short flight. Yeah, that's why I picked that branch up right there. So I wouldn't have to worry about hitting it. Let's go around. Here we go. God, my fingers are freezing. God, it's really pushing me when I go that way because of the wind. And I always say it, it's a ton of fun. You don't have one. My fingers to warm up. Hold on. I'm gonna start my vehicle because, well, I'll be all right. Let's go. Going around these trees right here with the wind the way it is, it's a little scary because they'll push you right into a tree. Like right there. What if I can go up and dive on that tree like I did that day? Whoa, let's get it back up. It's just pushing me. It's crazy. Let me get out of here. All right, let's go back in manual mode. That was kind of epic fail, wasn't it? Look, I'm not even moving. Here we go. I don't know if I can go high with this. We'll try it though. Can't believe I hit that. I guess I didn't even see that branch right there so low. But with the wind blowing the way it is, it's kind of tough. It's that branch right there. Hold on, I gotta adjust my goggles. One second. Oh, this flight's horrible. All right, here we go. Let's go. It's a little better. Come on, guys. All right. The battery's dying. That was horrible. I hit that thing. It really surprised me. I didn't even see it though. That was the thing. I wonder if my goggles vision changed. Woo! Feel it. Feel it pushing me. Feel it pushing me. Let's go up here. Let's see what we can do. I did all right. I really gotta adjust this. I can't see like I want to. All right. Sorry about all the stops. I have to cut some of this out. There's those branches we picked up right there. Oh man, I can feel it push me so bad. It really is like whipping me around. Ooh. I'm not even trying to go that fast right here. And it's just, I mean, just flying. But right here, I'm going against the wind, so it slows down to a crawl. I guess it's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing. Oh man, that's close. It's a ton of fun, but it does whip you around. I know, high wind velocity. I'm getting those all over the place. All right, let's get going. It's warming up in here a little bit with the truck running. Just getting high winds, high winds. Yeah, I know. Jeez, I know. Believe me, I know. Kind of dangerous doing this with those winds, I think. But that's all right. Whew. One thing you do want to watch when you make those turns, that you don't whip around and hit your tail end on that another tree, because it will happen. I haven't had it happen yet, thank goodness, but it will happen. That battery just is dying. We were a little high there. Almost got caught by a limb. Man, it's challenging to fly this with the wind being so high. The other drones, they hold still. I guess this one does too if you're not in manual. Oh, get out. Oh, that was a little touch right there. Oh, it's a rough flight today, guys. Rough flight today. It is what it is, though. I wanted to get out here. I knew it was going to be challenging with this wind, but no, it is what it is. Go here, see if we can. Right when you turn this corner here, that wind just, you can't really slow down. I guess you could if you pointed it up, but go sideways, I guess. It's not really a day where you can, you know, try to be fine-tuned with the sticks, just because it does blow you around so much. We can try it though, huh? It's not bad. I'm glad I picked those sticks up though, because I've hit them a couple times and it sucks. It does. That's the last battery here I'm gonna do. I just wanted to get out a little bit and fly. Not really worried about cinematic shots, because when you're flying like this, not really much cinematic about it. Just having a good time getting out there, improving your skills. That's the name of the game. I wanted to go through here right here, but I was afraid the wind would like take me like crazy. Like right there. I had to really put the speed on so it wouldn't whip me around right there. Whew, man, that wind. Is anyone like me, or just because I'm getting old, you have good eye days and bad eye days? Like today, it's like a bad eye day, trying to see stuff. It doesn't look as crisp or as clear as it could, or it has in the past, I guess. I mean, it's clear, but it's not the goggles. I think it's just me. Let's go around this tree right here. See if we can. Alright. Go down. Trees. Whew. Aloha, aloha, aloha. I'm not gonna do any flips or anything, just because how it is. Well, that's probably it, guys. Like I said, it's a short flight. I just wanted to get out here and fly a little bit. I'll do a couple more runs, but this is mainly for me. All the rain we've had lately, it's been kind of horrible. Just sitting there, watch your drone sit on a shelf or in a backpack. And I got a battery low, so I'm going to bring it in. Turn that around real quick. All right, man. I'm going to turn it off. Well, hey, at least you got some flight time out here. Yeah, it was a rough flight. A lot rougher than I wanted. Ooh, slow down. Sheesh. Hold on. I can get down for it. Blows into my truck. All right. We're back in the truck. Yes, I did start the truck. It's cold. AKA Bolt. That was a rough flight, but everything's still fine. ND filter stayed on when I had that little mishap hitting that tree. I don't know about you guys, but I love the ND8, and my ND8 is cracked a little bit. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, y'all can probably see that. But other than that, Bolt is doing just fine. And again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was a really rough flight. Oh, dropped my stick. I'll have to get that in a minute. But all right, guys. Well, that's all. And again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. All right, bye.